Imagine waking up one morning to find your entire financial system gone. Not gradually, not over months or years, but in just 7 days. This isn't a movie plot. This is exactly what happened to Iceland. Picture this. It's 2008, and while the rest of the world is dealing with market turbulence, Iceland's situation is different. Their banks aren't just shaky, they're like massive castles built on sand. These banks had gotten incredibly greedy, borrowing more money than anyone could imagine, 10 times more than what the entire country was worth. Let that sink in for a moment. Then came October, the month that changed everything. Like dominoes falling in slow motion, Iceland watched as its first major bank crumbled. Then the second one followed. People were nervous, but surely it couldn't get worse, right? Wrong. Within just 7 days, all three of Iceland's major banks had collapsed completely. Suddenly, ATMs stopped working. People couldn't access their savings. Businesses couldn't pay their employees. The entire country essentially froze. The situation was so dire that Iceland's government had to do something they never thought they'd have to do. They went begging to the International Monetary Fund for help. This was huge. Iceland became the first Western nation in decades to need an IMF bailout. It was like a proud parent having to move back in with their kids, humbling and desperate. The aftermath was brutal. Thousands lost their homes. Jobs vanished overnight. Families who thought they were financially secure found themselves struggling to buy groceries. The Iceland that emerged from this crisis was fundamentally different from the one that entered it. But more than that, it became a stark warning to the rest of the world about what happens when banks get too big, too greedy, and too reckless. Think about it. Could your country handle what Iceland went through? Could your entire banking system collapse in just 1 week? Because if there's one thing Iceland taught us, it's that sometimes the unthinkable isn't just possible, it's just around the corner.